Hi everybody, it's Mina from Droplet channel. Welcome to our first video. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to make a new project, how to open an image, and how to change your image size. Let's get started.
First of all, open your Photoshop. As you see, I have the version of CC 2018, but it doesn't matter if you have another version of this program. They are exactly somehow the same. There are some differences, but I will tell you if there is needed. Well, you see the first page in Photoshop. This page is different in different version of this program, but there is something the same in all of them. Look up in the bar above your page. Yes, here. See, I want to open. First, let's make a new project. I want to make a new project, so go to Files, New. I don't want to confuse you, so for now just learn essential parts. First of all, I name my project right here. Hello. Now you can choose your unit of measurement in here. I usually use centimeters. They are good for print works, but you can use pixels, inches, or anything you want. For having an A4 page, I should choose the width 21 and 29 for the height. It's in centimeters, I told you before. For resolution, in here, print projects must be 300 pixel inch, and for the web projects it's okay to choose 100. And look at here, we have color mode. For color mode in print projects we use usually CMYK, and for web projects it's better to choose RGB. The other things in this page are not necessary for you to learn now, so just press OK. Boom! Great! It's your first blank page in Photoshop. It's ready for your creativities. Now, let's save our first page. Saving pages in PS is like many other programs. First, go to File and press Save As. In browser, I choose the place to save my file. I prefer to save it on my desktop. Now let's see here. It's my project's name, which I choose at the first. You can change it from here, but for now it's for me okay. Save as type. PS files are PSD, so I save in PSD type and press Save button. So my file is saved. If I go to my desktop, I see my PSD file right here. Well, till now you have learned how to make a new project and how to save it. It's time to learn how to open an image in Adobe Photoshop. Well, go to File above your page and easily press Open an image. Here in browser I find my photo. Here it is, so I open it. Well, if you want to know your image size, you should go to, again, above your page in image and click image size. Well, now you can see your image size here. Here you see the width and the height and the resolution. Here in image size, you can change your width or your height or the resolution of your image. Right here. For example, I want an A4 image. So here I write 21. Simultaneously, my height also change. Now I can press OK. So my image size have changed. Let's go to image size again. I want to change my width, but I don't want my height to change. So I can click here. See? Now if I change my width, my height would not change. But you see, my picture is ruined. If you want to only change the size of one side of your picture and you don't want it to be stretched, you should go this way. Go to image and canvas size. In this bar here, I only have the width and the height. So I can change my width in here and change it to 40. See what's happened if I click OK. A margin add to my image, and also my image is not ruined. If you want to know why the color is added to my image is red, look at here. We have two colors in here. The back color is red, and the added image depends on it. It's time to save my elephant photo. Again, go to File and press Save As. Press Save. You can see the file name, the type of the image, and press Save. Ooh, see what happened. This alert says new image would be saved on the previous image. But I don't want it to happen, so I press No, change my image name, and again press Save. Yes, done. Great, everybody! You done the image size, you opened an image, you make a new project. Well, great! Our first lesson is finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed our first video. I put the download link of my image in the description. Also there you can check my Twitter, my Instagram, and also my shop. Please ask your questions and tell me your suggestions. My next Photoshop tutorial will be here in my channel next week. See you!